Sanibona bafundi, welcome to Learn Zulu Every Day, episode number 13. Today we're carrying on from last episode, so just go check that out if you haven't yet. And today we're going to do how to ask someone's surname and their praise names. So again, on the website zamanizulu.co.za, and I'm reading the bold, you read the normal script. I say manje bafundi, now students, ngubani isibongo, surname, sakhe. Now we had igama, name, lakhe, his name, isibongo, sakhe, his surname. And you say isibongo sakhe nguDlamini, uDlamini. So now I can ask you, bafundi, students, see? Isibongo sami nguDlamini. Is my surname Dlamini? I say, you say, cha mfundisi. No, teacher. Igama lakho, you saying to me, igama lakho, your name, nguZamani. Futhi isibongo sakho, and your surname, nguMpanza. Nazo-ke. Mina, igama lami, nguZamani. Isibongo sami, my surname, nguMpanza. Nazo-ke. uMpanza. So wena, you, ngubani igama lakho? And you say, igama lami my name is, and I can ask you, ngubani isibongo sakho? What is your surname? And you say, isibongo sami ngu. So I'll say it again, igama lami nguZamani. And I can ask you, what is my name? Ngubani igama lami. Right? Igama lami nguZamani. Ngubani isibongo sami? What's my surname? Isibongo sami nguMpanza. You can say isibongo sakho nguMpanza. So in this conversation now we speak directly to Brad. So sawubona baba. You can be Brad in this instance. So sawubona baba. You are Brad. Yebo, sawubona baba. You reply to me. Unjani? Okay. Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? Nami, me too, ngikhona, ngiyabonga. I'm asking you, baba, ngubani igama lakho? Sir or Mr., what is your name? And you say, igama lami ngingu Je. Really get involved. You can break it up a bit. Je. Give everything a bit of space. Je. Je. And then eventually you can get it a bit quicker. Je. Okay, so igama lakho ngu Je. Nazo-ke. Hayibo, ungujeqe. I'm saying to you now. I'm saying to you, how? Ungujeqe wena. Ungujeqe. Ujeqe. Ungowakwabani isibongo jeqe. What is your surname? It's a different way of asking surname. Before we had ngubani isibongo sakho. What is the surname of yours? Now we have ungowakwabani isibongo. What is your surname? And you say, and to respond in the same way, ungowakwabani, who are you of? You say, hi, ngingowakwa Dlamini mina. And then as soon as I've heard your surname, I reply with your praise name. Oh, Spalkhulu. Nazo, Spalkhulu. You say, yebo, yimina lo. That's me. So a praise name, just briefly, is basically like an oral remembered lineage, sort of the earliest fathers of the Dlamini the earliest father of the Dlamini clan might have been Sbalkhulu, sort of his nickname. And then there'll be a whole bunch of names remembered. And if you use these, if you find out someone's surname and you quickly Google their praise names and use the praise names, that's showing lots of respect, showing that you've checked out, taken the time to remember a bit of their family tree and really connecting deep to their roots. So any work colleagues, try and find out their Zulu surnames and quickly Google Dlamini praise names, whatever. Cool, try that out. So I say ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Happy to meet you, Baba Dlamini. And you say nami ngiyabonga ukukwazi. I'm also happy to meet you, Baba Mpanza. Hamba kahle, Baba. And you say sala kahle, Baba. Siyabonga kakhulu, nenze kahle. Well done. Sobonana kusasa. Sharp. Salani kahle.